Welcome to Roam Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Path Communications, accessible through pathcom.com, stands as a prominent provider of fiber internet services. Their offerings extend to various locales, encompassing student housing, apartments, businesses, and multiple dwelling units, MDUs. Focusing on delivering high-speed connectivity, Path Communications aims to furnish reliable and efficient internet access to its diverse clientele. The company prides itself on providing robust bandwidth capabilities, catering to the growing demand for seamless streaming, online gaming, and consistent connectivity for numerous devices. Pathcom.com serves as a central hub for information regarding their services, including coverage areas, available plans, and customer support options. Visitors to the site can explore the specifics of each plan, allowing them to choose the internet package that best aligns with their individual needs and budgetary constraints. Path Communications emphasizes a commitment to customer satisfaction and strives to offer competitive pricing while maintaining a high standard of service quality. They recognize the essential role of reliable internet in today's interconnected world and work to ensure their customers experience consistent and uninterrupted connectivity. Furthermore, Path Communications understands the unique requirements of various living and working environments, tailoring their services to suit the demands of students, businesses, and residents of multi-dwelling units. Through pathcom.com, prospective customers can easily access resources such as FAQs, contact information, and online support tools. This streamlined approach allows for efficient communication and empowers users to manage their internet service effectively. With a focus on innovation and delivering cutting-edge technology, Path Communications seeks to stay at the forefront of the ever-evolving telecommunications landscape. Their commitment to providing high-speed fiber internet underscores their dedication to meeting the ever-increasing bandwidth demands of modern users. By visiting pathcom.com, individuals and businesses can explore the numerous benefits of partnering with a dedicated and forward-thinking internet service provider. Path Communications continually invests in its infrastructure and service offerings, ensuring a reliable and future-proof internet experience for its growing customer base. They understand the critical importance of seamless connectivity in today's digital age and strive to provide a service that empowers users to work, learn, and connect with confidence.